Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of React Native, and in this tutorial we will see how to create a bottom navigator. So let's get started already. So first of all, I will create one repository. This is the repository of the expo which I've created. So if you are creating from the beginning, make sure to add the hyphen tunnel over here. If it is creating the issue for you all to run the app, it is showing the network issue or some issue on the emulator, then just put hyphen tunnel over here, and this should solve the error. Okay, so let's get started, and I'll show you how to install some of the packages which are needed in order to create the bottom navigator. So I will do npm I react navigation hyphen native. This is the first package. Then give space, and I will install another package which is react react navigation hyphen bottom tabs. So these are two packages which you have to install, and there is one more package which is React Native Screens and React Native Safe Area Context, which I will install after these packages are done with the installation. So these are some of the packages which we will be in need of when we are creating the bottom navigation or the bottom navigator in the React Native. The second is React Native Screens and React Native Safe Area Context. Okay, so these are two more packages which we will install, and whatever packages you install, you will see them under this dependency object. Okay, so this is the dependency object, and as can be seen, those have been installed. So let me just get started. So this is some basic code which is present over here, and whatever is the stuff which is there inside of this app.js, you will see that getting rendered over here on inside of the Android emulator. So let's get started, and I will show you how to create the bottom navigation. So there are a few things which are already imported, and I will show you how to import the navigation container and all. So first of all, I will uh, say give the space like this, and navigation container I will import. Then after that, I will import this also, create bottom tab navigation, and after that I will import the icon, and I will import icon from React Native vector icons, and icons. Okay, so these are some of the things, some of the imports which we'll be in need of. So let's get started. So we have imported, then we have to create the screens, but we are just showing the bottom navigation. So for that purpose, we will create one variable tab, and we will say the create bottom navigation. And before this, I have to create some of the screens. Okay, so I can do that under the screens folder. I can create the screens, but this is a very simple application which I'm just showing the bottom navigation. So I will create functions over here, and I will say home screen, and this is the home screen function, and style.container home screen. So I think this much is fine, and I will replicate the same function two more times for the settings screen. Settings screen and new screen, whatever that is. So now I'm having these three screens over here, And after that, I have also created this variable tab to create the bottom navigation. And now I'm having this my app folder. So I will remove this, and I will import the navigation container over here. Okay, so I have auto completed the code. Let me just write the code instead. Let me just see what am I getting. Okay, so it has auto completed this code for the bottom navigation. So I will use that only. So now, okay, so it is auto completing this code also. I will just put a tag. Okay. So now, what is happening over here? So this is the navigation container, and then having the tab the navigation. So now let me just explain you all the things what is going on. So I want to show the three bottom tabs over here with the name of the home, new, and the settings. Okay, and this is the component which I want to render when anyone will be clicking on that button. So over here, when I will click on the home, I want to show them this home screen. Okay, so this is a function to show the screens. So you can give the name of the screens over here, create the screens folder, make screens inside of that, and import those screens over here. Like I have imported this icon, I'll import the screens and give the name of the screens over here. Okay, so this is the home screen, this is the new screen, and this is the settings screen. Okay, so I will have the three tabs. Let me just save this. I'll show you. Okay, so I am getting this three tabs over here. I'm not getting the icons. Okay, so now if I want to show one more tab down below, and I will give the name as dummy over here. Now as can be seen, there is this fourth tab known as a dummy. Okay, so now I am having this fourth tab. So this is how you can give the number of the tabs you want. And now I am having the screen options. Okay, so instead of the screen options, first parameter which I am taking is route. So first of all, when it comes to the route is nothing but when I am clicking on this button over here. So name of this button is basically the home. Okay, so route.name, if it is exactly equal to home, let me just do one thing. Let me just fix these icons. So first of all, for the home, or it will be home of outline. Let me just save and see. Okay, so now I'm getting this home icon. Okay, so now what I've done over here, this is a tab bar icon. Tab bar icon is parameter, and it is taking the three parameters: focus, color, and size. Okay, so now what I'm doing over here, so instead of the screen options, I have taken the parameter as a route. So route is basically when I click on this button, I'm routing to this screen. When I'm clicking on this button, it is taking me to the new screen. Okay, let me just change this. This is a new screen. This is a setting screen. Okay, so now when I click on new, it is taking me to new screen. When I click on settings, it is taking me to the settings screen. Okay, so whatever is this function, it will execute that function. When I click on home, it will take me to the home screen. Okay, so this is the home function. It will take me over here. So now when I'm clicking on this button, or this button, I'm routing to this home screen, a new screen, or the settings screen. Okay, so it will check whether the route dot name is equal to home, then it will do this particular logic. It will execute this logic. So the route is basically used to cache the specific route. So when it comes to this screen options, this is the parameter. Okay, so this route parameter is basically used to cache the routing mechanism. And now next we have the tab bar icon. Tab bar icon is taking the three options over here, which is focused, color, and size. And this is how you can change the tab bar icon's color. So what I'm doing over here, I'm declaring one variable icon name. So what this icon name is basically doing, it will basically help me to change the icon of these particular buttons. Okay. So let me just fix these particular icons as well. I will remove this and I will give any names I'm giving as of now. This is not mandatory. So for settings outline. Okay, so it will check. Okay, so if the route.name is equal to home, that means when I will click on this particular button, then what it will do, it will this icon name variable what I've declared. So when I'm clicking on this button, so this button is focused. Okay, so I'm taking that parameter focus from this tab bar icon. Okay, so when I'm clicking on this button, that means this button is focused. So it will check whether it is focused. So I'm using a ternary operator. If it is focused, then icon name I'm assigning as a home. Okay, and if it is not focused, then I'm assigning the icon name as a home outline. So home outline is basically, so now let me just click on this. So over here, this is the home icon right now. And now this is the home icon with the outline. Only outline is there. Okay, so this is the name of this icon, home outline. And when I'm clicking on this, now it's going to this is the field with color and all. So this is the name of this icon is home. And right now, the very same way for when I click on this new, there is this car icon over here. And right now, this car icon, what you see is car hyphen outline. Okay, so this is car hyphen outline. When I click on this, this is focused. And when the this I'm focusing on this, name of this icon will be car. So just know the difference between the normal icon and an icon hyphen outline. Outline is basically nothing but just the outline of that particular icon. That's it. So what I'm doing over here, I'm checking whether I'm route.name is equal to new. If it is new, then what I'm doing, I'm assigning the name of the icon as a car, and if it is not, then car hyphen this thing outline. So this is just to change the this icon color for that purpose only. So what I'm doing, whatever is the name of the icon that has been assigned to this variable icon name, I am passing it to this icon. Okay, so icon is basically used to show the icon over here. This is icon element which I am importing from the React Native vector icons. So if you go and Google about it, React Native vector icons, then you will know the difference between what I'm trying to explain you all. I just hope it is opening the right link. Okay, so these are some of the icons which you can pick it up. Name of the icon over here is Chrome. Okay, so let me see whether I'm able to show the Chrome or not. I will put that in place of this car. Let me just check. Okay, that is not available. So that's why this question mark is coming. So let me just revert it. Just research properly and figure out which icons you can use. Uh, there is no proper list over here which is giving me the exposure to number of the icons available, but I hope this concept is clear. So what this is doing actually, it is just assigning this icon. Okay, so icon color, icon size, whatever that is, you can just change it from here. So if you want to change the color also, then you can do that as well. Okay, from this. So now is the tab bar options. So tab bar options basically has active tint color and inactive tint color. Active tint color in the sense when I will click on any button, what should be the color of that particular icon. And when it is inactive, right now this is inactive and this is inactive. And the color of it is gray. Okay, so you can specify that over here. Active tint color is basically when I click on any button, what should be the color of that. If I give the color as blue over here, it will give the color of the icon as a blue when it is active, and now it is inactive, which is green. So now this is active, so that's why this is blue in color. Okay. So this is how this container is working, this bottom tab. So if you want to implement this bottom tab navigation, you can put that bottom tab navigation via this method, and this is how the things are working. So yeah, that's all in the which we will be looking into in this particular tutorial. So thanks for watching, and do check out the other tutorials as well. I will push the code of this tutorial of this bottom tab and give the link of the GitHub in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.